Yeah.
Hi, Rich.
Felicity?
Can you talk?
I'm just getting ready for work.
It's about Mum.
What's she done now?
She's passed on. You still there?
Yeah. Sorry, yeah. How did she pass on?
We don't know yet. She's having an autopsy right now. They think it was her heart. Rich, are you even listening to me?
Yeah. Sorry, what was it you were asking?
Can you come over?
When's the funeral?
Tomorrow.
Nope, can't do tomorrow, I'm at work.
Get personal leave.
I just said I can't do tomorrow, I'm at work. I can't call in last minute.
For God's sake, Richard. Unless your boss isn't human, he'll grant you leave. She was found 2 days after. One of the neighbours came in because of her washing or something. I don't know. That's why we're having the funeral so soon. Look, for God's sake, you didn't even turn up for Dad's funeral. The least you can do is come and help me with this.
Yeah, you know what? I'll just come down later, yeah?
Later?
Since when did you smoke?
Well, you know, it's been a long day.
Of course it has.
How was your drive?
Fine. Any news?
I spoke to the coroner before, and he said the cause of death was natural, so I suppose that's some form of good news.
Well, that's good, I suppose.
Well, I've just paid off the funeral director, so you can pay me your half back when you're ready, okay?
My half.
Well, you'd expect me to pay for everything?
Fine.
Great.
And
And what?
what else is there for me to do?
Well, you need to sign off the coroner's report, but then after that you're fine.
So there's nothing for me to do?
Well, it did take you over 5 hours to get here.
I travelled all the way from London. You knew this.
Well, I'm sorry that I managed to get everything done in that short amount of time.
Because I travelled all the way down from London, and for what?
For your mother's funeral. Do you have a place to stay?
I just got there.
Alright, well you can stay at ours then. We'll go in the creme tomorrow.
The crematorium.
Well, that is where we're having the funeral.
Is that even what she wanted?
Well, I don't know, Rich, because she didn't exactly specify. Or would you want to be buried with all the maggots and shit?
Well, you know what? It doesn't even matter because I'll be dead.
Well, it's all arranged now, so you're too late. Look, I'm parked out front, so I'll text you the address.
Richie? Not so Rich Maguire.
Adam.
Oh. I thought you'd fucked off out of this arsehole with nowhere.
Oh, Pete, I left ages ago, but I had to come back because, well, my mum died.
Moira Maguire. That must have been her.
Yeah.
Wait, that one, Felicity. She's your sister.
Yeah, that's her.
Oh shit. I'm sorry, Richie.
Oh no, it's Rick now.
Rick?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well we're closing now, but if you want to say your last goodbyes, you're more than welcome to.
Thanks.
You sure?
Yeah, positive.
Well, still, condolences. Condolences and all. Drag.
You've got anything stronger?
Hi, sorry, I didn't wake you, did I? I know. Please don't hang up. Mum died today. We're having a little service for her tomorrow. There's going to be an article about her in the Echo. I don't know if you still read it or not. It's not going to be long, and the wake's at the Civic, so it won't cost you much to get down. Steph? My head's just been up the wall lately. The house is just really empty without you. I'm finding it quite hard to pay bills, actually. I'd just really appreciate it if you'd come. Oh, thank you so much. You wouldn't realise how much shit I've...
I thought you had to give up on this, now that you're a surgeon.
God, no. Before every surgery, I roll one up. Helps me keep a steady hand.
You were stoned when you done an autopsy on my mum.
You know, you don't seem that upset for someone that's just lost their mum.
Yeah, me and my mum didn't get on. You know, she was more favourable towards Felicity.
Well, she didn't seem that upset either. More annoyed.
Yeah, that's her.
Well, dykes usually look annoyed, don't they?
What? No, she's not gay.
Yeah. Yes, she is. She's been dating that. The decorator. Well dated.
Must be confused with someone else. Shit.
What's up?
I've lost my phone.
Do you want to use mine?
Yeah, yes please. Thank you. Who are these?
Oh, that's me and the fam last Christmas.
Look happy.
Tom.
Can I stay here tonight?
Mi casa, su casa.
Cheers. Adam? Adam? Shit!
Hi everyone. On behalf of me and thank you all for attending. I'm sure you all have your own very fond memories of my mother. I remember when I was applying for university and I wanted to do fashion and she said, no, you should do social studies because who knew people better than Moira, eh? Okay. I managed to complete my degree with a 2-1. And when I came home, I said to her, what do I do now? And she said, get yourself a job. To cut a long story short, I wouldn't be who I am today without you, Mum. So, thanks.
Hello, Pet.
Oh, hi, Jean. You okay? Thank you for attending.
Nonsense. As if I wouldn't come to my own cousin's funeral. Still, I do feel bad about leaving you to sort it out all by yourself in this difficult time.
Did you like the funeral?
Yes, well, it was personal.
Well, did you enjoy it?
Don't be silly, dear. It's a funeral. You're not supposed to enjoy it.
Will you hang on just 1 second, please? Oh my God, you made it. Thank you.
Well, said the word, didn't I? You been smoking?
No, I haven't been smoking. I just went outside while everyone else was having a ciggy.
Okay.
Where were you?
Overslept.
Is that it?
Yeah, pretty much.
This wasn't some fucking lecture. It was your mother's funeral.
Alright, you know what? I slept through the alarm. I'm late. Trying my best to get here. What else could I do?
And you don't regret any of this?
Why should I? I've got nothing to do with this.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. You know what? Every time you ask me to help you, I try my best. What do? You control every little thing, don't you?
I don't control every little thing.
Yes, you do.
Bullshit, when?
How about cremating our mother even though she wanted to be bloody buried?
You're embarrassing
Well,
me.
you know what? I don't even care. I don't even know these people.
These are our friends and family. But you wouldn't know that, would you? Because you fucked off when you were 16.
Alright, fine. Who else here gives a shit?
I did! I did!
I think you better leave.
Fine.
Are you okay? Come on, I'm gonna take you home. got to go.
Please,
I've got to get back to work.
don't go.
Look, I left you 4 months ago.
And we can't just forget about that.
You can't keep manipulating me like this. I left you and I left here.
I still love you.
No, you don't.
Steph.
Steph!
Who does she think she is? Hey. I run away. I don't hear from her for years. And why does she think that I have to be involved? Yeah, sure, we're related. But are we close? Fuck no. Never have been, never will be. They say I'm such a tragic person the way I've turned out to be. You're the one that's fucking tragic. Because of you, I'm not even going to call you mum. Fucking Moira. I haven't even thought about you. I don't care about you. I never did care about you. The same way as you never cared about me. I don't even know why I came here. I travelled all the way down from London. And for what? Huh? For what? To get bollocked? And who the fuck is Steph? The cheek on her to tell me to leave my own mother's wake. What the fuck? Who does she think she is? Who does she think she is? Thank you for being the worst mum in the world. Thank you for caring about me so little when you gave more of a shit about Felicity. Fuck you! Fuck you!
out the report with the coroner, Adam, and he said that you're going by the name Rick now, which you get. Anyway, I'm emptying everything out the house and I don't know what to do with it. I know you'll find it hard to believe, but Mum left quite a bit of stuff for you. It would be a waste to throw it away. I shouldn't have cremated Mum. She didn't want it. And now I'm stuck with this stupid urn, which I don't know what to do with. I think we should bury her remains back home. Anyway, I'll stop taking up your time now, okay? Bye.
Is there anything you'd like to say? I read your eulogy.
Oh God, what did you think?
She would have hated it. I know about you coming out and well, it must have been difficult with, Mum and Dad.
It was. But I know she loved me, even if in her own little way. I'm sorry for burning you, Mum.
I'm sorry for missing the funeral and everything else. Amen.
Amen. Hey, do you reckon I can get a refund on the end?
I don't think that's